Welcome to Custom Made Incense at the Incense Shops. It's time to open up with a whole new update video. I had another channel I am closing down called The Moon is Always Full. We need to combine the magical channel with the magical incense and continue the videos this way. Alright, my voice is still a little horsey from driving up to New York the other day. I am also a hybrid wild wildcat, small wildcat handler, in which you'll learn more about that by going over to Golden Pride Preservation, my cat channel. Enough about the cats. We all know they're magical. This is a special blend which will be dedicated to Hecate has come to me. Yes, indeed. I am taking this as an opportunity of elevation in my magical practice, and I did not realize it that way at first, although the signs were definitely there. And isn't she the cutest at the dollar store now, the green dollar store we all love to shop at? Yes, you see a sensor on the bottom of her skirt, and she gives a good laugh and lights up. In any event, we got new tools for our employees. We have great employees here working on fine blends to bring you magical incense for your traditions and practices in private. Those of you who just like to burn incense for scent-wise, we definitely have your line of 100% natural incense made by hand. Yes, everything is crafted by hand, with the help of a tiny bit of tools. We want to give a shout out over to Taryn S. at House of Witchcraft and let you know a little secret. Her and I did one of the most beautiful interviews. She wanted to interview custom-made incense in the incense shops. Soon I'll be posting a link to that, and you can enjoy the first interview for custom-made incense. Very thrilling. Taryn S. is a beautiful woman, wonderful author, and dedicant witch that has a heart of gold and stands for the righteousness of humanity as much as Hecate and Brigitte do. Brigitte is another spirit to work with. You look her up. All you new people coming into magic, we want you to be seriously careful and purchase from other practicing magicians and witches, esoteric shops, botanicas. You see, big business, big box business has a big head, okay? They'll sell you anything that will sell. We will not. We have honest, hard work right in to our magical pieces, candles, soaps, everything guaranteed is 100% natural. I order many blends of powders, resins, you name it, from 5 or 6 different countries right now. We have India, Japan, Australia. I cannot order from Saudi Arabia. It is extremely expensive. However, the items I have gotten from my daughter when she goes over with her husband are phenomenal. I have a jar over there that's probably going to last about 3 years of myrrh. It's a certain type of blend that they do over there of the myrrh. It's nice and damp. It stretches. It lasts. It burns slow. It's one of the lightest myrrhs, and it's a tan in color. Comes in a little ball. Balls like this size or so, thrown into a big jar. I do believe I showed that on the incense shop before, and things like that are what we like to get for our ingredients. A long burning incense compared to something you know, got at the gas station, probably burn away in 2 minutes when you seriously need the incense going in a ritual, in a practice for 20 to 40 minutes. So keep those things in mind. Stay tuned. Coming back for more videos soon. You all have a great Jupiter.